heart of Macau, where the old streets wind.
So this right here is called the Three Lanterns District. So you can see this big circle right in the middle here. And we're gonna go around the circle, around the big circle and the little circle. So we're gonna go around both and just kind of give you an idea of what it's all about. And I'll explain all the people everywhere as well, because that's kind of interesting. And there's a market right to the right as well. So we'll probably walk into that briefly and then go through the middle and go all the way around. Three Lamps District, and there's a lot of history to this one. So basically first I'll put it back up on the map, and then I'll do a little smaller one so you can get an idea of what it kind of looks like around the vicinity. It's basically just a roundabout, but it's community all around it, so you can see that in the map, I think. And also it's also a heart of the Indonesian community and the Burmese community, as well as just lots of locals from all over the place. A lot of it's because there's a big market, so you'll get a little taste of that, but you'll be able to see all the people anyways. And what else? I guess that's it. I also have a song for you guys, so I'll play the song. I played around with the AI. It'll give you a preview of this, but then the walk and talk will be more equally interesting, because then I'll walk and talk and kind of walk my way through it, and you can see the reactions. Plus I made somebody who knows the channel, so it's kind of nice to always run into somebody like that too. So you'll see him in the video. Okay, here we go. Macau, Three Lamps District.
Oh, three lamps, where stories unfold in the roundabouts, glow tales of old from the 1940s. The lights have shone, guiding the footsteps of those far from home. Oh, three lamps, where stories unfold in the roundabouts, glow tales of old from the 1940s. Have shone, guiding the footsteps of those far from home. The roundabout's name, a beacon of history, a place of fame, with Burmese flavors and local delights. Street vendors calling under the city lights. The roundabout's name, a beacon of history, a place of fame, with Burmese flavors and local delights. Street vendors calling under the city lights. Oh, three lamps, where stories unfold in the roundabouts, glow tales of old from the 1940s. The lights have shone, guiding the footsteps of those far from home. Cobblestone paths and benches to rest, a melting pot of cultures, truly the best. From Zulin Temple to the market's home. Three Lamps District, where the world becomes one. Spices and laughter, they belong. From Java to Macau, they bring their cheer. In Three Lamps District, their presence is clear. Oh, three lamps, where stories unfold in the roundabouts, glow tales of old from the 1940s. The lights have shone, guiding the footsteps of those far from home. So come to Three Lamps, where history meets in the heart of Macau on bustling streets. With every step, a story to find. In the glow of the lamps, leave your worries behind.
Okay, Three Lanterns District. This actually has a street name as well, instead of roundabout. We're gonna go in that in a minute. This is kind of a market in here. Looks like Indonesian food. I think it is. And I think what we're going to do is we're just going to start into the middle part and come through, because the middle part is kind of the most interesting part. And then we're going to go around in the whole circle. Yeah, the lighting is amazing. So I'm going to come around. I think I'm going to go in the circle like this direction, I guess. Hopefully the lighting. It's also a holiday today, so I think it's the Indonesian community predominantly today. They are usually kind of known, and also the Burmese, for spending time in this particular area, and also the attire too. You can kind of tell as well. So really nice lighting. And then also you can see all the apartments too. They kind of have a circular concave kind of nature to them. So let's go out. You gotta watch for cars coming this direction. You know what? I think I'm gonna go down this way. Just because there's a little bit more people. Huh. I never knew this before, but I filmed that street called Rua de Fernão Mendes Pinto in my last video. And actually it goes down further than I thought. Okay, so we're just gonna walk around the periphery part. And all these kind of roads go all the way down. For him, and he was kind of waiting for me. Okay, so now we're kind of in this nice black and white tiles everywhere. Amazing lighting tonight too. We're gonna walk right into this mess of people. So we're gonna walk back in, and then we're gonna walk back out again. Yeah, it's kind of cool. The lighting is just about right too. I think this video will come out really nice. But I think this encapsulates the feeling of Three Lanterns District, because it is well known for got these nice tiles everywhere too. Let's see. We're at 3 minutes. So yeah, kind of cool. So I think I'm going to just keep on going down and just kind of film all the way in a big circle, since it's still kind of early. Got a nice restaurant right there as well.
Hi.
Hello, how are you doing?
I know you.
Yeah.
You're the guy on YouTube, right?
Yeah, got a YouTube channel. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Cool, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You down to see some fireworks tonight?
Where's it at?
Near the tower.
Oh, is it tonight? Okay.
Yeah, it's tonight.
Oh, okay.
Down to see some fireworks and get some footage.
Oh, okay. I'll have to go down there and check it out.
Yeah, cool.
Sounds good.
Cool, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you as well.
Okay, cool.
This video will be named after the street if you come and look at it later.
I think you filmed this area before, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
But I haven't recently, so.
You should definitely go check out some fireworks.
Sounds good.
Yeah, this is the, like what?
Mid-Autumn Festival?
39?
39, oh.
39 times Macau is holding that.
Oh, okay.
Firework competition.
39th anniversary.
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
So, so yeah, they got, so fireworks is actually, so today is actually a festival holiday because you can see all the people out everywhere today. So a lot of it is because of the holiday. So we're just gonna stroll by. I think my goal is to go in a complete circle all the way back to that marketplace over there. And I haven't, he's right, I have been here, but it's been maybe 2-3 years, I think. 2 years maybe. So that means that, and the last time I've been here, it wasn't so lively like this. But today it's actually really lively. I haven't seen this many people here. And it's because it's a holiday. 39-year anniversary, I guess. 39th anniversary of the fireworks, okay. It's also a couple other anniversaries. It's the 25-year anniversary. To go over that way, I'd have to go all the way down. Okay. We'll end it for here. Hopefully you like that one.